Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have at least read access to the SharePoint site and the exact list or library URL. Open Excel on your desktop. Online Excel has limits. Once done, go to the Data tab and choose Get Data from Online Services from SharePoint Online List. You do this because Excel uses a connector to pull the list schema and records. This step creates a stable query rather than a copy, so updates can flow both directions if allowed. Once you paste the SharePoint site URL into the connector, Excel shows available lists and libraries. Select the one you need and hit Transform Data to open Power Query. Here you shape the data, remove unnecessary columns, rename headers, set proper data types, and apply filters to limit rows. Make sure to use applied steps for reproducibility. Because Power Query stores the transformation, future refreshes will repeat the exact actions. Keeping Excel, after shaping, click Close and Load and choose to load as a table in your worksheet or to the data model if you plan pivoting. You can refresh the connection with Refresh or Refresh All to retrieve new SharePoint changes. For automation, configure a scheduled refresh in Power BI or use Excel Online with OneDrive Sync. If you hit errors, first confirm the site URL and your permissions. Then check for column type conflicts. Changing a text column to number in Power Query often fixes common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.